Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Monopoly Go Hack, a modded app that gives you unlimited money and dice rolls in Monopoly Go. This mod is amazing because you can buy any property you want, build houses and hotels, and never run out of cash. You can also roll the dice as many times as you want and move around the board faster. I have already downloaded and installed the app, and as you can see, I already have a lot of dice rolls. This is not a joke. It really works. So let me show you how to get it on your iPhone. First, go to the General section in your iPhone settings and make sure that the Background App Refresh option is turned on. This will allow apps to refresh their content in the background. Next, head to the Battery section in your settings and turn off Low Power Mode. This will ensure that your iPhone is running at its full potential and can handle the Monopoly Go hack. Finally, go to the App Store settings and enable automatic downloads. This will ensure that your iPhone automatically downloads Monopoly Go modded app when it's ready. If you have an Android device, then you don't need to change any settings to get the Monopoly Go hack. You can just skip to the next step and download the app. Now that you have changed the necessary settings, it's time to download the app. To do this, open your internet browser and go to appinjects.com. Here, you will find a variety of modded apps, but today we are interested in the Monopoly Go. Simply type it in the search bar, and the app will appear on the screen. Click on the Monopoly Go++ app and press Start Injection to initiate the download and installation process. Once the app is installed, open it, and voila! You now have unlimited money and dice rolls, making you unstoppable in Monopoly Go. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. This modded app is great for anyone who loves playing Monopoly Go and wants to have more fun and excitement. With this app, you can become a Monopoly Go master and beat anyone in the game. So go ahead and try it out. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.